Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to do Renaissance trends on Instagram, TikTok or in any other social media platform. So in this video I'm going to tell you the simplest way. So within few seconds you can do these trends. So for this, first of all you need to search for a creator profile. So you need to search for this creator. So once you have searched, you need to click on this emoji icon here and you need to click on the first one here. Okay, then you need to click on, as you can see the sample video here, you need to click on the save filter. So this filter will be saved. So we need to click on try it. So here we are not getting much background, so we have already saved this filter. We will go back and we will click on this plus icon here and we will go to story section here, and this is a filter that we have saved. We will click on this one. So here you can see we have multiple background, and if you want to select it from your phone, you can download this effect from Google and you can use that background. So for now you have to click on add media. So I will pick it from here. So I will press on this one and we can see how this work. So here you can see how this filter work. So if you want a different background, you can Google it and you can download it from Google, and you just need to click on add media and you can select it from phone gallery and you can use it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.